Good afternoon, Terry. All right. Got some serious issues. We'll talk about it. Primary problem was the float was flooded. Secondarily, a lot of stuff was out of adjustment. We'll talk about it. All right. Got that all squared away. Let's go ahead and fire it up. The float was the primary problem with your flooding. If it was full, it was sinking, which means the valve wouldn't close. All right. That being said, squared away. No leaks. Dig it. Just turn your RPM up just a little bit here. Little. Alrighty. You see what I'm doing. Okay. Look at the numbers. Currently idling at about 680. Fuel pressure is almost 3. Vacuum's at 23. Well at 42. Pull it through a couple times for you. My plugs probably have a bit of carbon on them, so that's what you hear. Alrighty. We'll get it back to you.